As a learning institution, we deeply follow the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. At our school, education goes beyond academics. It is about nurturing the required 21st century skills of critical thinking, problem solving, collaboration and innovation. In this journey towards sustainability, our school proudly stands as a beacon of innovation, helping and sustainability. We are St. Teresians.
At my school, we are learning not just from textbooks, but also about how to become responsible global citizens. One of the ways our school is doing this is by helping us understand and take action on the United Nations goals. Our school has made SDGs a part of our everyday learning.
In addition, we have regular sessions and workshops on gender equality, mental health, and responsible consumption. We are made aware of how even small actions like saving water or avoiding plastic can have a big impact.
Of our school have designed various projects that are directly linked with SDG goals. Agro disaster robot SDG number 1, women safety device SDG number 5, traffic wind turbine SDG number 7, Suhana Safar SDG number 8, safety bus SDG number 9 and
affordable and clean energy. We have implemented energy saving measures like converting CFLs to LED lighting, energy efficient appliances, putting laptops to low energy saving modes. Our school is using renewable energy sources like solar panels and promotes energy saving practices. Here, students are also educated about the importance of clean energy and how they can contribute to energy conservation. For waste reduction, we promote recycling, composting, and waste reduction programs. We have also involved students in various waste audits and campaigns to reduce the school's environmental footprint.
We also have Eco Club activities where we plant trees, clean our surroundings. These help us contribute to SDG 15, Life on Land, and SDG 6, Clean Water and Sanitation. Every year, we organize charity drives, our way of supporting SDG 1, No Poverty, and SDG 3, Good Health and Well-being. We also promote SDG 4, Quality Education, by solving real-world problems.
Water conservation, clean water and sanitation. We have installed water-saving fixtures, for example, low-flow faucets and toilets. A brick or volume is kept in flush tanks of schools to reduce water wastage during flushing.
Green school infrastructure. Eco-friendly buildings, design and retrofit school buildings to meet green building standards, like LEED certification, which emphasizes sustainability in construction and operation. Cherry on cake was students were involved in various tree plantation drives, like Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam.
student involvement, industry, innovation and infrastructure. St. Teresa incorporate technology and innovation to encourage students to engage them in projects that solve real-world problems through creativity and innovation. School's ATL lab supports students drive-in projects that address sustainability challenges. The project range from designing energy efficient system to developing prototype made up of plastic waste. The school projects are made up of waste like plastic cans, tires, cardboard generated within our school.